we're going out. We're going to Asiatique because we're going to take the dinner cruise around 7:45 in the evening. So, let's go! So now we're here at the ferry station and we're waiting for the free shuttle going to Asiatique. It's a good thing na free shuttle siya kasi para hindi na kayo magbabayad. Mahal din kasi yung dinner cruise, diba? So we're here waiting. So every 30 minutes ang depart niya. So right now wala pa yung boat. Look at our outfit. We're kind of formal tonight kasi magdi-dinner. Diba? Look at my companion. Put on your makeup. Yeah, siya lang. Who's more beautiful, me or Hailey? Be the judge, siya lang. So friends, we're here now at the Asiatique. So after nung ferry namin, I need to go to the Warehouse 7 to collect my ticket. So don't forget, you should be here earlier para you have time to change your ticket, to get your ticket. Asan yung kasama ko? So ayan, nagmamadali ako, naiwanan ko na sa Hailey. I need to find the yung counter nung dinner cruise namin. Actually, maraming dinner cruise, maraming ferries, maraming cruises, but different companies. Syempre, different companies. So, different booking platform din yung ginagamit nila. There, Warehouse 7. Hanapin pa natin yung cruise. Yun, nandun sa gitna. Hailey. Ayan, nagmamadali na ako, friends, kasi 7 o'clock na, 7:45 yung cruise. We should be there, dun sa pila ng mga 7:30. So, here's my booking. Hi. So, start check is 6 o'clock. Boarding time is 7:45. Yung friends, so we already exchanged our tickets and binigyan kami ng sticker. Yan. It's sad kasi umuulan. Yung pinabook ko pa naman is outside. Nakakainis. Pero tingnan natin, sana huminto yung ulan. We still have 15 minutes to go. And look, so many people. Ayan. Nakapila na kami dito. Wait na lang namin yung go signal at yung ferry kung kailan darating para makaakit na kami sa taas. Grabe, gutom na ako. May nakita akong mango sticky rice. Sana meron dito sa taas. And nakapamili pa tuloy ako ng pasalubong. Ang mura. Lang siya. Ang mga pasalubong ko lang is yung mga inhaler tsaka yung kating ko. Kasi yun ang maganda raw dito sa Taiwan. Look. So friends, ito yung aming cruise. Yan, the Alanka, Viva Alanka Cruise. Hailey! Yan. Wow, it's nice naman pala sa personal kasi sa picture, actually sa mga videos, sa pictures, hindi mo ma-appreciate yung kagandahan niya. But now, ayan, up close and personal at may experience pa natin. So itong cruise na to, merong may kasamang band. Duo yung yung pinili ko para hindi masyadong maingay kasi kapag band, isang buong band ba maingay. Ito yung sa second floor. Ito yung may cover, tapos may band. Yung sa amin naman ay dito sa taas. Yay! Wow, how nice. Madilim. Kaso naulan. Madilim din na yung makita yung number. So the spread is here, guys. Ayan. It's a buffet. Oh my God, may sushi. Oh, yeah. Parang alam ko na kung saan ako unang pupunta. And then, the second table, ayan na, meron na.
Okay, can we?
Yun. Ah, yung fried rice. Oh, seafood. Ay, friends, naku, buti na lang. Malaki na yung anak ko. Hindi ko na siya inaalagaan. So, she can get her own food. At grabe ang pila. Look. Diba? So, pinabayaan ko na siya. I got my own, and then she's also getting her own. And look at her food. Ayan. Kung ano na lang yung makita ko, but this is the first one that I got. This, sushi. Ayan, si Hailey may spaghetti, oh. And look, tanen, the prawns. So, kain muna tayo, guys. Para mga Pilipino yung kumakanta. Anong-ano sa boses. Boses pa lang, alam na. Yeah, so, itong cruise na to, 2 hours. 7:45 to 9:45. And then yung drinks hindi daw kasama. Yung ano to, additional yun kapag o-order ka ng drinks. So halika, tikman na natin. So first is the sashimi or yung sushi. Woo! Oh my God, my favorite salmon. Sarap. Fresh na fresh. Yung rice, tikman natin. Yung pineapple fried rice. Napadami yung nalagay kong pati ang alat. Oh my God, Hailey. No diet tonight, ha? First, buti na lang, the rain stop. Kasi kung hindi, nandito kami sa baba. Ang ganda ng view dito sa taas. Same price din lang naman. I just requested na dito kami sa taas. And then, nag-email din ako na kung pwede dito kami sa tabi ng railings. Para mas madaling mag-picture, mag-video, gano'n. Kaya sabi kanina, we're approaching the lowest bridge, yung Chao Phraya Bridge dito. So, pinag-iingat kami pa huwag daw tumayo or yung ulo namin, ingat daw kasi baka, sa sobrang tangkad namin matouch namin yung river, yung bridge. Pero sa'yo na, may mga yung pa ibang cruises. Ayan, pipili ka na lang ng ng price mo. Pero parang pare-pareho lang naman. Ayan na the other one, Hili. Halangka Cruise also. Yan. Ito yung company na namin. Binog. Yung isa yung pabalik. Kasi mga 6:45 ata sila nag-start. Yay! Tara guys, ito na yung bridge. Sige lang. Tignan nyo Kain ako.
Oh, nice. What bridge? This bridge? Yes.
I thought so low, hindi naman pala. Okay lang. Uy. Kahit si Michael Jordan, hindi mauupog doon.
Ano sila?
Is this it? Ito pala yun. Okay, hindi pala yung isa. Okay. Mali information ko. Sorry naman. Later ulit pagbalik. So the Icon Siam at night.
A few moments later.
And friends, so the boat is going going back. So ngayon dessert time. Ayan, puro Thai dessert. Let's try this one. Bilog. Kaya to. The beans, parang garbanzos pa. Beans. This one. Parang itlog. Lasang sampagita. Pag ganun. Sorry. And hindi ko yung lasa. And then this one, parang yung kakanin sa atin. Coconut. Pwede na. Lilitan ko nga lang yung sayang di ko naubos. Parang pandan. Pandan na. The other one. Tamis. And the last one. Parang pansit. But it's not. Walang amoy. Ito. But, okay. Hindi na akong tumigil sa pagkain. Grabe friends, I found out na merong libreng beer. Ayan, so this is Chang Beer. Thailand's known beer.
Guys, that's good. I tried it.
Yes, Hailey tried it and she wants to finish this this glass, parang baliw. Ang sarap, hindi siya matapang. Friends, cheers tayo.
A few moments later.
Yan sinali. Hope friends na gustuhan nyo itong tour namin. Ako grabe, nag-enjoy kami ni Hailey. We really enjoyed our time here in Bangkok. And although, alam niyo na yun, due to weather, medyo mainit, but still, we enjoyed everything, especially yung teenager ko. Shopping, food, and then the packages that we got, the elephant park, and yung river, floating market. Very good. So, hope you enjoy guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also check out our next trip. So, thank you very much for watching. This is your friend Chacha Yang from Taiwan with Love, here again in Bangkok. Bye!